Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind Workshop, or if you're new, welcome. So I was using my benchtop belt sounder, and if I'm totally honest, I didn't have the extraction on. And once I finished, I turned my back to do something else or carry on with something I was doing, and I could smell burning, or sort of, it smelled like plastic burning. And I had a look around and I couldn't see anything obvious on fire or burning. So I carried on with what I was doing. And then just a couple minutes later, I turned around to see smoke emanating from here. And what's normally on here is this attachment for dust extraction. Somewhere there. And I'm guessing what has happened is something that I was sanding has got down between the belt and this piece of plastic. See the burning and you can see where it started to melt the plastic. And it's caught fire, which was a bit of a shock. So what I did was I unplugged it, disconnected the hose, and took it outside very quickly and carefully, and used my leaf blower, which I know sounds counterproductive because you'd think it would feed the flames, but it was far too powerful to do that. So it just sort of blew all the crap that was in there out, and the fire or the smoke seemed to slow down and stop. So after I knew that it wasn't gonna get any worse, I pulled it back inside and I took this off, and like I say, I've seen that it's been burning and melting the plastic. So yeah, a little bit of a lesson and a little bit of a warning. Always use your extraction. Luckily I carried on doing something and I didn't lock up and leave the shed, because I might have been coming back to no shed. And I was just wondering, now that as obviously cooled down and no more risk of fire, am I safe to put that back on? I mean, it goes there and it doesn't rub the belt. So is it safe to reattach or not? Just give us a comment below and let me know. So yeah, just a quick one for you, just to warn people about stuff that can get wedged between the extraction guard and the belt, or whatever happened. Make sure you got your extraction going, because I didn't, because I was being lazy. And just, yeah, thanks for watching.